So 9, 10, 125 cars, 124, 126, 131, 132. Incoming train, westbound, 26, 25, 152, 151, 106, and probably 105, I think, the other car. Yeah. Just name calling the numbers of the car. This electric railway building down there. Cars in the far track are from this morning, or you see in hoppers, and then this could have been possibly from the westbound trip or from out of Queensboro, or these were from the westbound trip. Yeah, 3 cars there. That was from the Queensboro, Anniston Island, maybe. This looks new. Eastbound shop train might be running, that's why I just like to keep my phone running, camera rolling anyway. Train, but this is where I get off to get to this 22nd, and check the railway yards and patrolling down here.
The next station is
railway bed, though it's still what's left of the transit security. We're right by the gates there, just check before I can even check out. Check this out, recycling truck, return it, yeah. Been advertised many times before. Oh, that car's still there. Got a little bit mad with those cyclists here, especially those e-cyclists. Okay. Must be an add-on to for tonight's eastbound shop train. I kind of gather there, but oh yeah, there's 3 locomotives right down there. It's dead smack. Oops. Okay, zoom out there. Some freight in here, but that was probably from the. Trying to get different angles and measurements of the yard. This is for the afternoon now, so I'm just checking over to see if there's any leftover freight from that westbound trip maybe in here. Maybe they might add more cars on the track here for the eastbound shop train today. And the valley job, well, there's some switching ongoing over there. Coming out of the hole soon. Yeah. Hard to say, yeah. Yes. Just switching up a few cars about for tomorrow's eastbound valley job, I guess, for that matter. Yeah, center beam. Yeah, it looks like this will be in preparation mode for the eastbound valley job, or Unless the eastbound shop train left out of here already. It's probably somewhere in the back, I guess. As you may see, I can tell I'm just left from the overpass in there and heading to the northbound side. Got more cars in there, Dad. Yeah. Hoppers, center beam. Oh, it looks like they're bringing out the coil cars for switching around there. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Grand Trunk Western. I think that's what they mean. Grand Trunk Western or CNR. Yeah, they're getting into position for a belly job for tomorrow. Yeah, just getting those into position for switching for tomorrow. Let's see through the tree a little bit where the westbound engines are laying. Yeah, I'm not sure the eastbound shop train had left out of here, or maybe soon be. Still can see partial movement from the southbound side while I'm here standing on the northbound overpass side of the bridge. Yeah. Yes, I'm still in New Westminster, near Queensboro, but right now I'm in the New Westminster side of things here. Yeah, as you can see, partly the company and warehouse. Busy unloading containers. A lot of slew of trucks in here today. Yeah. Just a quick look at the intermodals. Only that would, you know, how much more would be done if the trains were to deliver, not damn trucks. Too much trucking already is killing the railway industry. Well, anyway. One last look at the SRY trap yard, and so. Yeah, busy with trucks down there today. Had to include that in, why not? Punjabi trucking here. Yeah, I highly doubt the train would come through here. It already came through here back in early of the month. Back in the time, yeah.